We have the privilege to have a nice chat with Werner Venter. He is the dealer principal at NMI Toyota right here in Menlyn. Werner, welcome on Blindside.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Werner, you guys, you've been a part of this from day one. Take us back to that very first conversation with Peter and the guys.
Yeah, so I think first things first. So I think with Peter, Umwaini, Andrew Wiem, they started the whole thing. I think it's 12 years back, if I'm not mistaken.
2014, right?
Yeah, 2014, and we only started off with 4 schools. It was only 4 schools right from the beginning, and yeah, I think this grew to one of the biggest rugby festivals in the country. So we're really honoured to be part of it right from the start, and we're loyal to school sport in South Africa, and with our dealerships situated quite across the country, it's a privilege to be part of the community and to serve.
That's one thing I would like to put a bit of emphasis on, because the community part is very important to you guys. I mean, we spoke off camera a little bit earlier today about the amount of schools that you guys are involved with, and it's absolutely fascinating. Can you share a bit more about that?
Yeah, so if we start off in Cape Town, just the high schools, I know we Tiger Valley is part of the Stellenberg and Durbanville. And then for us here in Gauteng, we've got just Menlyn branches involved with Affies. We've got 11 buses that we sponsor the schools. So it's one at Affies, one at Afrikaans World Macy's, 2 at Waterkloof, 2 at Menlo Park, and then primary schools, one at the Glen High School as well. And then primary schools, Hilaris Park, Menlo Park, Garsfontein, and we just recently confirmed that we will be joining Tygerpoort as well. We're busy as we speak to get the buses ready and for the handover, everything there. So yeah, and then Middelburg recently just started to sponsor Hoërskool Middelburg. So yeah, it's nice for us to be in the community and to be involved. It's a privilege.
Basically the whole of Pretoria's primary schools.
Yeah, so we would like to say we want to dominate the schools in Pretoria. I think a lot of brands out there is at the moment they just woke up with the whole thing. We've been involved with Waterkloof since 2008, which was the very first school. So it's 18 years that we've been involved at the school itself. Yeah. So we would like to sell lots of cars to keep the sponsorships going. So that's the motto.
Please, everyone watching, go to NMI Toyota, whether it's the Menlyn branch, all the other branches in the country. Support these guys because they support this lovely sport and they are part of this for a very long time.
Sorry, just to mention, Centurion is also part of Swartkops, which is also playing now a new addition to it's our Centurion branch. Theo Brits is the dealer principal that side, and they with Swartkops were school there as well. So sorry, I forgot to mention them.
Werner, from a brand perspective, why schoolboy rugby, and specifically why Noordside?
Look, so I think it was a dream back in the day to start the derby in North versus South, and once again taking it back to Andrew, that was the DP at the point of time, and I think there was a gap in the market for that. It's always VP against Blue Bulls, that type of thing. So I think in the schools it was also important. Look, there is some other festivals that's got quite a bit of extra sports in, but this was specifically, I think the heart was to get the best versus North versus South. For us as brand and for us as Toyota, which we are franchise of, but I think Toyota's also been a household name in South Africa. We've been fortunate to be market leaders for the last 45 years. And I think they also invest a lot in school. So for us, if you can start with the first car, I know a lot of people, which maybe our age, most people had a Taz at some point, or a Conquest or something. It was most probably a Corolla, some of the people's first cars. So I think the idea for us as a brand is to start off, when they get their first car, maybe into a Starlet or to a Wits, and that's where it starts. And you can never think that person won't buy a Land Cruiser 300 because they need to go study, so they grow a family or maybe get married, and then the next week. So you need to plant a seed already at a very small age. We're fortunate with the GR brand now that Toyota bring a lot of excitement into into our brand back again. And you know, a lot of people, the brand has grown quite significantly with all the motorsport and all the nice, exciting brands that we've got. And I think for the younger generation, that's where they want to get into. You know, it's a drive a nice car with performance-wise, and so yeah, I think the Toyota's got a well-known product, but I mean, we can't just rely on that. We need to be out there, involved, and also show that we care. You know, so for us, it's we need to be part of the community.
Have you seen tangible business returns after such a tournament?
That's always a
Hulle as ek nou
difficult-
na die weer kyk, dink ek hierdie mense gaan hulle Toyotas nodig hê hierdie naweek.
Kyk, so ons probleem is maar wat hou, jy kan dit nooit altyd fisies sê jy het soveel karre verkoop uit die toernooi. Nee, dit sou great gewees om te sê jy het 200 karre of wat ook al verkoop uit dit uit, maar daar was baie besigheidsverhoudings wat ons nou al met die skole gehad het, verstaan, wat ons betrokke, as gevolg van ons betrokkenheid by die skool, wat jy mense ontmoet en netwerk, en wat van ons groot vlote is, weet so ja, met ou sal graag die return dadelik wil sien, maar hierdie gaan maar oor face value, dink ek, weet, om uit te wees daar, die ouens staan bekend as die NMI, Toyota toernooi, so ja, ons hoop die mense kom uit en vra 'n paar vragies en koop 'n paar karre, so.
Wel Wanne, dit hoop ons ook, en ons gaan deur die loop van hierdie week nog 'n paar keer met julle gesels. Julle is gelukkig nie baie ver van ons stalletjie af nie, of ons studio af nie, julle is sommer hier reg voor ons. Baie dankie vir wat julle doen, eerstens vir Noordsuid, maar ook vir al die skole en die communities wat julle ondersteun. Ons maak altyd daar 'n punt af van julle harte is op die regte plek, en so is ons in, en dis vir ons wonderlik om met julle ouens te kan gesels. En dan wil ek vir jou sê, ons is ook deel van 'n familie, Blindside, ons is deel van die South African Hall of Fame, waarvan meneer Johnny Burger die chairman is, en hy het met 'n fantastiese idee gekom hierdie jaar om 'n cat campaign te begin waar ons mense wat ons voel die rugheid van skole rugby en skole sport, weet, op 'n manier te cap en te sê we have your back.
Ja.
En so ons wil graag vandag vir julle sê, as Blindside en as South African Hall of Fame, verseker het ons julle back. So baie dankie vir wat julle doen vir skole rugby, en ek wil graag hierdie cap aan jou randig. Jy sal so mooi sien, daar is die Hall of Fame se logo voorop, en agterop staan daar juis I have your
I
back.
have your back.
So dra met trots, en weet ons het julle reg.
Baie dankie.
Baie dankie.
Asai, great, dankie.
Baie dankie.
Asai.
Ook kan ek ook 'n handjie sê?
Ja, jy kan.
Baie dankie vir jou tyd, en ons gaan nog 'n paar keer met julle gesels.
Asai, dood reg. Baie dankie julle.